here we go. People, we are here with the biggest Mount Pleasant fan, Manchester United fan, Marlon. You know him as. I mean, what is your take on the game today, Marlon?
Well, you know that first time watching the game live, watching the team live for the season. I was off Ireland for a while, so it was a good game still. They won. Trevante had a good game. Reggie was good up front as well. So Tivoli had a bit of control of the game still. That's the difference. They had more control, but more pleasant. They did what they need to do. So they actually scored 4 goals. So it was a good game. Moving forward, next week they need another 3 points again to be continuing the top 4 same way and moving forward.
I mean, overall, I know you watch a lot of football and you know on social media there's always a question about the quality of play, the quality of the league. I mean, how would you assess this? You know, having not watched the game, being in the venue live, how would you assess the overall game?
Well, the quality is there, but as I said, there's still a lot of technical aspect of the game still missing. So obviously moving forward, it's still work in progress. So have a lot of improvement to do still.
Yeah, man, all the best to you.
Yeah, man, definitely. Well, no, man, we're Europa League, so we're in the same place with you guys, Arsenal next season. So bless up, man. Everybody, Iron Shore Sports, big up on yourself.